Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at the TrixHub TH003 flashlight 2-pack. So this is provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So let's get this open. So we have two flashlights here, two charge cables in the manual. We'll take a look at one of the flashlights, but first we'll look at the manual. So we have some notes here. This shows the different parts. We have a zoomable lamp head, LCD screen for the battery status, aluminum housing, power button, tail cap, 18650 battery, lanyard, charge cable. Here we have the specs. So the battery is an 18650. Charge time is 2 hours. This has an IPX5 waterproof rating. So to turn this on the first time, we'll remove the back and remove the little piece of paper. We'll remove the battery isolator. You click the button to turn it on and then to switch between the modes. After 5 seconds, the next time you press it, it will turn off. So to turn it off, you don't have to cycle through all the modes. We can zoom in and out, and we can plug into USB port for charging. So it looks pretty straightforward. So this tells us we need to remove the cap, cut the tag off. We also have a sticker on here telling us the same thing. That's so it does not discharge in storage. So this has aluminum construction. It feels nice and hefty. It feels good in the hand. So I'll unscrew the end here. We see an O-ring right there, the battery isolator. Pull the battery out, just says 18650, 1800 milliamp hours, 3.7 volts. Place that back in. Now to screw this back on, you're going to want to press in while you're turning. You want to make sure you don't cross thread it. So, seems even right there, okay? So, you can look in the end here, you can see the LED chip. Then we can pull this in and out to zoom. So we can press this to turn it on. We can see it's at 78% charge. If we go to the other side, we can charge it. Let's try charging it. So you plug into USB charger, plug into the flashlight. We're currently charging at 0.48 amps, and this is showing us charging with the little green lightning bolt. So let's look at the modes. So I'll turn it on. We have high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. So I just wanted to show how those modes work. Let's take a look in the dark. My first test will be at 4 feet, so I'll have the camera and the light at 4 foot. Okay, so I'll turn the light on. So this is on high. We have a nice even circle of light. Now it's a little bit yellow on the edges there, but otherwise it's pretty even. Of course this is zoomable, so now I can zoom it in. And we have more of a spotlight, and we do have a ring kind of around the edge there. There's also kind of a medium ring right around here too. When it was zoomed out, I think we had a little bit of ringage there that we're not seeing until we zoom in a little more. But that's the pattern we get with it. So if you're looking at something up close, maybe you're repairing a flat tire, you might want a wide light like this. If you're looking into the woods, you might want a beam that will shoot further. So when I press the button, it will turn off because it was more than 5 seconds. I'll turn it back on. I'll go to the medium mode. So that's medium. Here we have low. There's strobe and SOS. So SOS is going to blink out an SOS pattern. And you can zoom the SOS and strobe also. So next, let's head outside. Okay, here I'm standing at the end of my 50-foot driveway. I'll turn on the flashlight. So this lights up the whole drive, side to side. Now I'm zoomed out. Now when I zoom in, we have that nice spot. It's a couple feet across on my garage doors there. And very bright. Now we do see that ring kind of on the perimeter. Now you can dial it in medium, so I can just have it light up a whole door, or maybe the width of both doors. You can dial it in to whatever you need. So this is on the high mode. Here's medium. Here's low. Here's strobe and SOS. Here's low on the whole driveway. Now if you drop something on the driveway and you're searching for it, you might want a little bit more light than this, like on the high mode. But if you're walking down a trail at night, that low mode is just perfect. So here I'm standing in front of my car tire. I'll turn the light on. So this is on high, and this is super duper bright. Now I could zoom this in, but you probably wouldn't for doing like a spare tire change. Then there's medium, low, and we really wouldn't do strobe, so let's just turn it to low. So this is on low mode, and this is really plenty of light to change a tire by. So that's the TrixHub TH003 Zoomable flashlight. This flashlight has a nice durable feel in the hand, comes with a lanyard, has a smooth zooming action on it, and I really like that it has that gauge on there to tell you how much battery you have. So you don't have to guess. Of course, this came in a 2-pack, so you could have one for you and your spouse or you and a friend. You could keep one in the house, put another in the car, or you could buy a number of these and hand them out, say, to your crew or your employees as gifts. Now, since the battery in this is removable and it's an 18650 cell, you could purchase extra cells and take them with you and swap them out if you need to. So there's a lot of versatility in this, in that it is a wide angle and a spotlight in one light, and you can go anywhere in between. So if you're surveying at night and you want to see at a distance, you can turn on that spotlight. But if you're camping and you're cooking food, you could turn on that floodlight. You could hang it by the lanyard up above you and have a nice, bright, even light. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.